we will go ahead with case number 3. In case number 3, what we are assuming, heat at the end of fin by conduction is equal to heat loss at the end of the fin by convection. Whatever heat is coming to the end by conduction, same heat should go out by convection. That is the third case. First boundary condition is same for all 3 cases. Second boundary condition is not same. So minus k into dt by dx. This one is the heat coming to the end of the tip by conduction, and this one is the heat lost to the environment by convection. Okay, at x equal to L. Now this solution you already know in case number 1 and 2, same solution we have seen. Now differentiate with respect to x. So this. So boundary condition to general solution. Okay. Now at x equal to 0, theta equal to theta 0, and this one. So at x equal to L, this conduction and convection. Here I will write conduction, and here I will write convection. So now d theta by dx equal to minus h by k into theta, that you already know. This very small rearrangement, and value of C1 you got as this one, and put this value in this, so you will get C2. So after you get value of C1 and C2, and substituting value of C1 and C2 in the general solution, you will get this equation number 8. This equation number 8 is a temperature distribution along the film in the direction of x. Now we will find out how much heat loss has to be taken place at x equal to 0. So for that, Q is equal to this Fourier law of heat conduction, and here put the value of dt by dx, you will get this one, and in the next page you will see that Q is equal to this. So this much, equation number 9 is the heat loss that should take place from the fin, so that our equipment will be protected. Please like and share this video, and if you need more videos on chemical engineering, please comment on this.